title of this mini podcast is Why Adding Meaning to Things Makes Them Problematic. Here's a golden nugget of observation from the grasshopper. A situation becomes problematic when we add meaning to it. A situation is just a situation. It's only when we add meaning that things start to get complicated. A situation is raw reality. It's what happens. An apple falling from a tree is raw reality. It fell on me so I could appreciate gravity. That's an interpretation of the event. It's the interpretation that causes problems. When we omanize reality, we add meaning, and that creates problems. To illustrate the grasshopper's observation, let me give you one of my favorite examples from the music world. It's a few lyrics from singer-songwriter Van Morrison in his song Domino. There's no need for argument. There's no argument at all. And if you never hear from him, that just means he didn't call. The word problem could be substituted for argument, and the message wouldn't change. The word means, in this context, translates to outcome, not a sign from above. A similar definition of meaning comes from the people-helping skill of NLP. The meaning of the communication is the response that you get. This is a long way of saying we create more problems than we solve when we add meaning. How many times have you misinterpreted a text or email by ascribing meaning to it? In short, step back, pause, then look at situations without jumping to conclusions. Pulling petals from a flower and saying, she loves me not, may be a silly superstitious way of interpreting reality, but it's also a problem because it's another blooming idiot pulling apart a naturally occurring situation looking for meaning. All the best, John.